Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Uncle Peter and Project Jeepney. So right now, nag-iikot kami ngayon because we're trying to find a spot kung saan ba tayo pwede magluto. If all else fails, we're gonna go back to that previous spot kung saan tayo nagluto ng steak dati. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. We are back here at the exact same spot. Yan. Ano yung lulutuin today?
Today we are going to cook egg fried rice, Uncle Peter's version.
Uncle Peter's version egg fried rice. Okay. Sige, so magsa-setup lang kami guys. Andito yung mga gamit. So we have this new table over here. If you guys watched the previous video where my dad was cooking, we were using ano ba yung table na yun? Lifetime. We were using a Lifetime table. But now we have this legit camping table na talagang super compact to. Okay. So parang snap lang siya ng ganyan. What's the brand of this table?
No brand.
Walang brand.
Made in China.
Made in China. Saan mo nabili?
Online. Car Camping PH na website.
Car Camping PH na website.
Facebook page.
Facebook page.
Bebenta doon.
Okay guys, so if you want to buy something like this, yun, Car Camping PH daw na Facebook page.
Shout out to Joseph. Medyo magandang deal binigay sa akin.
Ano yan? What's that?
Pangharang sa hangin. When you're cooking.
Wow, so talagang chef na chef ang dating, guys. Chef. Ano yan, may parang payong pa?
Hindi, para sa ano to? Pwede rin pang sabit ng utensils, whatever. Good.
That's pretty cool. Sabitan.
And over here, meron tayong cabinet.
Cabinet.
Kakabit mo dito. So, nandyan yung dalawang shelf for the shelves.
So parang yan lang yung platform niya.
Yan yung platform niya.
Gets. Okay. That's cool.
So, meron pa isang second shelf. Nakasabit siya dito.
Gets.
So, pero hindi na natin ikakabit to ngayon kasi hindi natin gagamitin.
Okay.
Okay. So, hi guys, welcome to our second episode of Cooking with my Jeepney and Uncle Peter.
Hindi, Cooking with Uncle Peter and Project Jeepney.
Hi guys, so welcome to our second episode of Cooking with Uncle Peter and with Project Jeepney.
Mali pa din. Pwede na yan, bala na oh. So, before we get started guys, ito na yung bagong setup ni Uncle Peter. So, let us take a look at ano ba yung nasa setup na to. So, today we have this, ano ba tawag dyan? Wok ba yan?
Wok yan, wok.
Wok, metal wok. Kasi magluluto tayo ng egg fried rice.
Wok.
So, cast iron wok. And then we have this
Our old reliable burner.
Covea na burner, nakakonect sa gas. Tapos meron na siyang panglagay ng utensils niya. Ito yung mga gagamitin natin later.
Meron na tayong basurahan.
Meron na tayong basurahan ngayon.
Importante yan sa camping.
Yeah, and then we have alcohol, tissue, and then yan, ito. Ito yung lalagyan ng ng burner pero dyan na nakalagay yung
pwede
mga...
na rin panglagay ng utensils.
Oo. So, ayun. And if you're wondering what this is for, pangsabit to guys.
Pangsabit to
ng kahit ano.
Night light,
Anything.
utensils, whatever.
Yeah.
Pwede rin pangsabit
Ng mask.
mask.
Okay, so let's get started. So let's get started with the Uncle Peter's egg fried rice.
Okay, so today we are going to cook my version of egg fried rice. So what do we need? Basic items. We need oil, salt, my favorite, MSG.
Nako, paano yung mga viewers na hindi pwede ng MSG?
Konting sugar na lang, saka dumihan ng salt, pwede na yun. Okay, what do we need? Siyempre, we need
Ano yan? Kanin?
overnight rice.
Okay.
Hindi pwede yung bagong luto ha. Pag ginamit mo bagong luto, wala na, sira na.
Anong sira na?
Kumbaga, fail na yun fried rice.
Okay, so kailangan use ano na siya, overnight rice, guys. Yung mga basically yung mga natirang kanin from the previous day.
And basically, mas maganda ang rice pag yung long grain.
Oo.
Kasi pag short grain, ang tendency nun is to magkakadikit-dikit siya.
Okay.
Okay? So, aside from that, we have
Ano naman yung maliit na yan?
spring onion.
Spring onion. Tapos obviously ito, meron tayong 6 na yolks.
And
And then we have
we
shrimp.
have some shrimp.
Ang konti naman yan.
Optional lang naman to pandagdag ko lang yan. Mamaya.
Damihan mo naman next time.
Egg fried rice to, hindi shrimp fried rice. And then we have some chopped scallions.
Ayan, so scallions.
Okay.
So yan na guys, lahat ng ingredients.
Yan lang. And of course, egg yolks.
Pinakita ko na yan, yung 6 egg yolks. Pero ano yung ratio? Ano yung ratio ng rice to egg?
Walang egg white to
Oh, so walang egg white.
Egg yolks lang.
Guys, walang egg white yan. Okay.
So more or less ang ratio niyan is mga 1.5 to 2 egg yolks for every cup of rice.
Okay.
Now it all depends din kung malaki ang egg yolk o malaking egg o hindi. Ito medyo maliit
Okay. So guys, pag maliit yung eggs mo, kailangan marami.
Parang bastos yun Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's get started guys. Teka, gaano karami yung kanin mo now?
This is around 3 cups.
3 cups.
3 cups.
Okay. So right now, papainitin lang muna natin yung wok. Pinubuksan na ng dad ko yung burner. ASMR guys, ganda ng tunog. Oh.
So ang lulutuin muna natin yung shrimp natin
Yung shrimp daw muna guys.
Konting konting oil lang muna.
Yan na. So overall, gaano katagal magluto ng egg fried rice? Total time?
Total time? Siguro mga 5 minutes?
5 minutes?
Yes.
Yung steak dati 3 minutes. Ito 5 minutes lang guys.
Oh, actually itong shrimp naman optional lang to
So optional lang yung shrimp.
Optional lang.
Okay.
So sandali lang naman maluto ang
So
shrimp.
how do you cook the shrimp? Hintayin mo hanggang mag-orange ba yan?
Oo, mag-orange, saka mag-curl up na siya.
I see.
Ayan, nakita nyo na, medyo lumiit na ng konti yung shrimp, saka nag-curl up na. Actually, pwede na to So, tatanggalin na muna natin yung shrimp, isa-set aside natin.
Tapos mamaya ata ibabalik natin yan sa fried rice.
Next na gagawin natin, ihahalo natin tong egg yolks with the rice.
Hahalo yung egg yolk with the rice.
Yes. Ano to raw. Raw
Okay.
pa siya
Wow, nabasag na oh.
Hindi, talagang naman siya
Okay. So paano mo siya haluin? Basic gaganon-ganonin mo na lang.
Basically, hakaluin natin ng ganyan. Hanggang ma-coat siya.
So ayan guys, nami-mix na yung kanin, nag-yellow na siya. Solid. So okay na guys, na-mix na yung yolk sa kanin. So back to the burner ata tayo. Ayan. Gano'ng karaming oil dadagdagin mo?
Depende, tansya-tansya.
Ha? Uy, dami niyan ah.
Fried rice So next, saute natin tong leeks natin.
Saute yung leeks. Ano ba yan? Leeks o scallion?
Leeks.
Ha? Sabi mo kanina scallion eh.
Halos pareho lang yun.
Ha?
Pareho lang yun.
Okay guys, hindi namin alam yung difference ng scallion tsaka leeks. Comment down below, ano ba talaga yung difference nun. So ayan na guys, nagsisizzle na.
So guys, kaya ginagawa natin to para ma-infuse yung oil yung lasa ng scallions or leeks.
Scallion or leeks?
Yeah, pareho lang yun.
Pares lang ba yun?
Yes, parehas lang yun.
Okay, so para daw ma-infuse yung oil. Yan.
para magkalasa yung oil.
Okay. Teka, bakit nga ba egg fried rice niluluto natin ngayon?
Kasi may nag-request eh.
Sino?
Meron, dun sa comments ng last video. Ayun, naamoy mo na?
Hindi.
Lumapit ka.
Ayan, naamoy ko na.
Naamoy na, di ba?
Naamoy ko na.
Okay,
Ayan.
ngayon, lalagay na natin yung kanin.
Ayan guys, so hahalu-haluin nyo lang ata to eh. Basic lang pala to eh. Ayan. So, ayan na. Medyo nagiging itsurang fried rice na siya.
Hindi pa, mamaya-maya pa yan.
So, anong next? Anong next?
Sunod.
Ayan na.
Lalagyan natin ng
Ano yan?
asin.
Gano'ng karami yan?
Tansya-tansya rin yan. Mamaya titikman natin.
Tansya-tansya. So, ayan guys, pag OG talaga, ayan, tansya-tansya lang. Hindi na sumusukat yan ng ano.
Yan na.
Ayan na, MSG, ang pinagbabawal na technique.
Yan yung
Yan
ano,
na.
secret ingredient.
Bawal yan, masama yan. Uy, tama na, ang dami. Uy,
Hindi madami yan.
healthy tayo, dapat healthy living. Hindi pwede yung sobrang
Actually,
daming.
ang MSG healthy siya.
Guys, naniniwala ba kayo na healthy ang...
I-google niya yan. Ayaw niyo maniwala.
Healthy ba ang MSG?
Yes. Di ba?
So, ganun lang guys. Lagay ng ingredients, tapos halo-halo.
Tapos medyo patutuyuin lang natin ng ito na ano.
Okay.
So, ang talagang egg fried rice, makikita mo, kulay dilaw siya, egg. Di ba? Karamihan ng mga restaurants ang ginagawa, it's either food coloring or meron nilang nilalagay na ano, parang powder or whatnot. Ang talagang kailangan talaga is egg yolks lang.
Sure ka ba dyan?
Yes, sure ako.
So, yun lang yun?
Dali, hindi pa tapos.
Ano pa?
Ipa-plate na natin.
Hindi, pero okay na yan.
Okay na yan.
May lasa na. Yung shrimp.
Ang dali nga, ipa-plate nga eh.
So, like a true chef, guys. May dala yung dad ko na magandang plato. For the gram.
Hindi na, naalala nyo yung niluto natin shrimp. Nalagay muna natin dito.
Yung kanin dyan.
Sunod, nalagay natin yung kanin natin.
And then,
Tapos,
ayan na. Bang! Kita niyo yung flip na yun, guys. Parang pro. Grabe naman. Ito na, the reveal.
oh,
Ayan na. Wait lang. Dahan-dahan.
makikita nyo na.
Ayan na. Uncle Peter's egg fried rice.
Dali, may kulang pang ano. Ito pala. Palang ano, kulang pa ng konting topping.
Ha?
Naku, bumagsak na.
Okay lang yan. Ayan. Look at that, guys. Mukhang masarap. Ayan. So, yan na yung Uncle Peter's egg fried rice, guys. So, as usual, alam niyo naman, ako yung titikim na to. So, ayun, let's do it. Guys, may dala na naman tayong utensils galing bahay. Ito naman, sa previous episode, fork yung dala natin. Ngayon naman, spoon ang dala. Spoon reveal ng bahay. Ayos. So, tatanggal lang tayo ng mask.
Ayan, may pangsabit na tayo ng mask
So,
ngayon.
sasabit ko yung mask ko dito. And then, titikman na natin ang Uncle Peter's egg fried rice. Yeah, okay. Smells good? Smells good? So, subo na tayo. Let's eat. Wow. Yung shrimp. Okay yung shrimp. Yung shrimp sobrang bouncy. Malasa. Yung rice, masarap. Lasang egg. and mabango. So, okay siya. I like it. Good job. Parang restaurant, honestly. Parang restaurant. So, try mo. Try mo naman. Para ma-judge mo yung sarili mong luto. I like it. Guys, masarap siya. Promise. Is yummy. Ayan na, subo na. Subo.
Bon appetit.
Comments. Hindi pwede bias Hindi pwede maging bias.
Tama lang yung shrimp niya, bouncy. Lasang-lasa mo yung egg na nakabalot doon parang sa bawat butil ng kanin. So guys, makikita nyo kung gaano kasimple lang lutuin to.
Yeah, very basic no? Parang ako kahit di ako nagluluto, kaya ko lutuin yan
Wala tayong garlic, wala tayong onion, lahat wala. Ang kailangan mo lang is scallions or leeks, oil. Itong shrimp, it's optional naman kung gusto nyo o hindi. Tapos ano pang nilagay natin? Salt, and the most important thing, MSG.
Hala.
Yun.
So yun talaga guys yung secret dito. MSG talaga yung nagpapasarap dito. But of course, you have to cook it correctly. Diba? Kailangan maayos mo siya naluto.
Sana ma-approve ni Uncle Roger.
Shout out kay Uncle Roger. Yan.
Yan.
Panglaban sa egg fried rice niya. Diba? Wow, laki subo So guys, naubos din. My God. That's a lot of carbs. Pero that's basically it. Now you know how to cook Uncle Peter's egg fried rice. Marunong na kayo kung paano magluto niyan. So try nyo sa sarili nyong bahay or sa sarili nyong overlanding or camping experience. Solid siya, masarap. And ayun. So guys, that's it for this episode's Cooking with Uncle Peter and Project Jeepney. So ayun, just comment down below what you want my dad to cook next. So ayun, we hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys next time. Ingat, bye. So guys, ito pala yung setup ng car now that we are packing up. Ayan. So yan, very useful tong table na to kasi para siyang second level of storage.